city by the Arabian Gulf has now become one of the most luxurious places on Earth. From the world's tallest skyscraper to entirely man-made archipelagos, Dubai is constantly pushing the limits of what's possible in construction and architecture. But to understand why the city has transformed so much so quickly, we first have to look at how it got here. After the discovery of oil during the 1960s, infrastructure development in the region accelerated at an unprecedented rate. The city's population exploded from only 60,000 residents to nearly 1 million by the turn of the century. Dubai soon began the process of transforming itself as the tourism capital of the region. Back then, ambitious megaprojects were a huge success, such as the Burj Khalifa, the Dubai Mall, Palm Jumeirah, and, well, many, many more. But in recent years, this dynamic has slowly changed, with neighboring countries such as Qatar and Saudi Arabia also competing for global recognition. Additionally, many projects in Dubai have also been put on hold, or turned out to be maybe a bit too ambitious. So, is Dubai's transformation coming to an end? Well, not exactly, but their image of the future has changed. So here are the most impressive megaprojects of future Dubai, starting off with the Dubai Reef. This will be a 200 square kilometer artificial reef project that will wrap across the entire city's coast. To put this into perspective, this project alone will cover an area more than 5 times the entire city of Dubai itself. It's planned for the reef to be the home of a total of 1 billion corals and more than 100 million mangrove trees. But why are they doing it? One major problem that Dubai is trying to solve is the adverse effect of their megaprojects on the environment, more specifically to marine life. The Palm and World Islands are a testament to Dubai's economic status. From an engineering perspective, they're impressive and truly unique. But the creation of these islands has had a significant impact on the surrounding waters, killing coral and severely disrupting entire underwater ecosystems. Because of this, Dubai is proposing a radical megaproject that they hope will restore the Emirates' coastal waters. And that's why the Dubai Reefs will stretch across the entire coast. The project will also include a series of floating islands that will house facilities for marine research and tourism. At the center of this enormous development will be a marine institute that will be responsible for the protection of Dubai's coastal ecosystem. Ideally, once completed by 2040, the Dubai Reef will serve as a quote-unquote blueprint for ocean living while mitigating the impacts of climate change. Continuing with this theme, Dubai follows up with the so-called Dubai Loop, a 90-kilometer-long covered urban highway, but with a small twist. It's not for cars. Instead, it's for walking and cycling. The idea was to connect more than 3 million residents using modes of transportation that are both healthy and environmentally friendly. But with the hottest average temperatures going as high as 40 degrees Celsius in the summer, Dubai isn't exactly a place you'd want to walk or cycle in. So in order to solve this obvious problem, the creators of the loop devised a simple yet insane solution. Make the entire highway completely indoors and climate controlled. You heard that right. The entire 90-kilometer stretch will enjoy a climate-controlled environment that runs 24/7. Aside from its climate control features, the loop will also have mixed-use infrastructure, providing leisure and wellness facilities for their residents. There will also be indoor parks, which can be used for recreational activities and social gatherings. This massive structure would snake around the entire city and connect major urban areas to each other. According to its creators, the loop will entirely be powered through renewable energy and will even have kinetic flooring. Through this system, vibrations from walking and cycling can be converted into electricity that will power the indoor highway. To make this possible, a deep understanding of science and engineering is necessary, and luckily, there's an easy and free way to learn about this. This is where we want to introduce our sponsor, Brilliant. Brilliant is a great platform that makes learning math, data science, and computer science easy for everyone. With interactive online courses, you can get yourself ready for your next test or develop high-value skills for your career. Brilliant offers thousands of interactive lessons for learners at every stage, whether you're just starting out or already have advanced knowledge. From engineering and math to how everyday technology works, new lessons are added each month. For example, we got a deeper understanding of skyscrapers in the Physics of the Everyday course. There, we learned about the impact of wind on skyscrapers and how mass dampers work. Compared to our usual online research, this was an interactive and fun way to gain background knowledge that we can use for our next video about skyscrapers. Join now and take a quick quiz to get lessons tailored to your skills and interests, allowing you to learn at your own speed. Get started by visiting brilliant.org/topluxury or clicking the link in the description. You get a 30-day free trial, and the first 200 of you will get 20% off Brilliant's annual premium subscription. Thanks for supporting us, and now let's continue with the Dubai Moon. If the recently unveiled Las Vegas Sphere wasn't impressive enough for you, then Dubai has got something even crazier. At more than 200 meters across, this scaled model of the moon would be even bigger than the MSG Sphere in Las Vegas, and also more than twice as expensive. This $5 billion real estate project by Canadian firm Moon World Resorts will become the newest addition to Dubai's long list of insane megaprojects. The Moon will be a luxury hotel and resort that boldly claims it will be able to let guests experience